Hey guys, it's Bodie with IPTVWire.com. In this video, I'm going to be showing you how to install the latest version of Televizo Live TV player on any Firestick or Android TV device. Now, for those unfamiliar, Televizo is a popular live TV player that can be paired with your favorite live TV service for an improved user interface. I have a complete screenshot guide here where you can not only find screenshot steps, but also more details and the setup process on Televizo, and just a lot more information on this live TV player that I won't include in this video. But before diving in too much further, it is important to note that Televizo is available in the Google Play Store. And because this application has over 1 million downloads and over 8.6 thousand reviews, we can assume that this application is 100% legal to install and use on our devices. Another important thing to mention is that Televizo does have a premium version, and according to their official website, it must be purchased inside the Google Play Store. Now, you do get 1 hour free after activation, but this is a question we get all the time in the comments about live TV players is how do I access the premium version? And based on this, it looks like you have to purchase this inside Google Play. Now, since the Televizo Live TV player is not available inside the Amazon App Store, we must sideload this on our Firestick or Fire TV device. In this example, I'm using an Amazon Firestick 4K Max, but this process will work on any variation of the Amazon Firestick, Fire TV Cube, or Fire TV device. Now, guys, the first step is from the home screen. We're going to hover over Find, click Search, and I'm going to install the Downloader app. Now, an important note, if you already have the Downloader app installed, you can skip ahead to the later parts of this video. But I'm going to go step by step from the beginning. So I'm going to click Downloader, click the orange icon for Downloader under Apps and Games, and then wait a few seconds here. And then I'm going to click Download. All right, after Downloader has installed on your Fire Stick, I'm going to click the Home button as there are some settings we need to change first. So once you're back on the home screen, you're going to scroll over the settings icon, scroll down and click My Fire TV, click About, and then click Fire TV Stick 4K Max or whatever this says here until you see the following message. No need, you are already a developer. Once you see that message, click the back button, click Developer Options, click Install Unknown Apps, click Downloader, and you should see Downloader is turned on. So now we have the ability to install third-party apps using the Downloader application. So now I'm going to hit the Home button on my remote, and I'm going to scroll down and find Downloader under Recently Used Apps. Click OK to launch it. Click Allow. Click OK, and you have now installed the Downloader app. After you've installed the Downloader app, we will need to enter a code here. So once you are hovered over the search box, click OK, and I'm going to enter the following code, 298344. Double check that and click Go. And guys, this code redirects to our IPTV Wire Quick Links page. Now, if you're new to us, this page has dozens of the latest streaming apps and tools, and it has everything that you would need in order to start streaming effectively. And guys, the first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to come up and hit this icon with the 3 lines here, and I'm going to click Add Current Page to Favorites, and I'll click Save. So now our Quick Links page is saved in our favorites within Downloader. So once you're on the Quick Links page, scroll down here, and scroll down a little bit, and you should see it right here, Televizo. So once you see Televizo, click that, and it should launch the download here. So then wait a few seconds for Televizo to download. Then click Install. And then once the application has installed, I'm going to click Done, and I'm going to click Delete. Click Delete again. And right there, I just deleted the installation files. So now I'm going to hold down the Home button on my remote. I'm going to click Apps and scroll down, and you should see both Downloader and Televizo here in your Apps and Channels list. So I'm going to click the options button with the 3 lines on my remote, click move, and I'm going to move Televizo towards the front of my apps list. Click OK to drop it. And then I'm going to hit the home button, and here you'll see Televizo is now installed towards the front of my apps list. So guys, it is important to mention that before launching Televizo, I am going to ensure that I'm connected to a reliable VPN. Surfshark VPN is our #1 recommended VPN at IPTV Wire. And guys, I personally do not trust third-party app developers, and I also do not trust my internet service provider monitoring what I am doing. So guys, I have a special discount link below this video for Surfshark that has one of the best deals around, and it does help support myself and this channel. So guys, I now have peace of mind that I am connected to a VPN and my ISP cannot monitor what I am doing. So once I'm connected to Surfshark, I'm going to go ahead and launch the Televizo application. Wait a few seconds for this to boot up, and you'll see a warning sign. I would click do not show again and then click continue. And here we go, guys. Now in this example, I am not going to pair a live TV service, but if you were going to do that, you would hit create playlist, and here you have 2 options. You can either use an M3U playlist or an extreme codes playlist. Now these are 2 of the most popular, methods for pairing live TV services with live TV players like Televizo. So most times they come with an M3U playlist, so if you click that, you'll see here you would enter the playlist name, you would enter the M3U link, or you would attach a file, you would turn it on, and then you can adjust some of these other settings here. But once you would do all that, you'd hit the green check up top here. Obviously, it's not going to work for me, but it would show up green here, and then it would start to play in the background. So guys, that is an awesome feature here of Televizo, and there's some other settings, I can mess around with. There's plenty of settings. Like I mentioned about the premium version, the premium version does offer some more features. I believe it's auto full screen, parental controls, no advertisements, and just things of that nature. But within the settings, it has an EPG or an electronic program guide. There are some other additional settings you can do with video streams, user interface, hardware accelerations. Auto frame rate is, involved in the premium version. And there's some other options here that you open up with that premium version. So that's it, guys. You have successfully installed the Televizo Live TV player on your Amazon Firestick or Fire TV device. Again, this is Bodie. I truly appreciate you watching this video. Be sure to like, share, subscribe, leave a comment below. I hope this tutorial helped you out, and I look forward to releasing more content like this in the near future.